The 2025 Daewoo Motorhome has quickly become a standout option for travelers and adventurers seeking the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Designed to cater to both short getaways and extended road trips, this motorhome combines cutting-edge technology with an emphasis on comfort and convenience. From its sleek exterior design to its thoughtfully crafted interiors, every detail has been meticulously planned to elevate the travel experience. One of the most impressive features of the 2025 Daewoo Motorhome is its advanced powertrain. Powered by a hybrid engine that seamlessly integrates electric and fuel-based systems, it ensures efficiency and reduces environmental impact. The motorhome boasts an extended range, making it suitable for long journeys without frequent stops for refueling. Enhanced with regenerative braking and solar panels on the roof, it maximizes energy utilization, setting a new standard for eco-friendly travel. Inside, the motorhome offers a spacious and modern living area designed for maximum comfort. The furniture is made with lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring functionality without compromising style. A fully equipped kitchen includes high-tech appliances, such as an induction cooktop, a compact yet powerful refrigerator, and a microwave. The dining area easily converts into additional sleeping space, making it ideal for families or groups of friends. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with built-in storage, while the bathroom is complete with a shower, toilet, and vanity, all utilizing space efficiently. Technological innovations are a highlight of the 2025 Daewoo Motorhome. The smart control panel allows users to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with ease. High-speed internet connectivity ensures that travelers can work remotely or stay connected wherever they are. The motorhome also includes multiple USB ports, wireless charging stations, and an integrated sound system for added convenience and entertainment. Safety is a top priority, and the motorhome comes equipped with a range of advanced features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make driving and parking effortless. Additionally, the vehicle's robust suspension system and all-terrain tires provide a smooth and secure ride, even on challenging roads. With multiple airbags and reinforced materials, it ensures maximum protection for all passengers. The exterior design of the 2025 Daewoo Motorhome is both stylish and functional. Aerodynamic lines reduce drag, while the compact yet spacious layout makes it easy to maneuver in urban and rural settings alike. Exterior storage compartments provide ample space for gear, and the retractable awning creates a perfect outdoor living area. LED lighting and customizable paint options allow owners to personalize the motorhome to reflect their unique style. Overall, the 2025 Daewoo Motorhome is a game-changer in the world of recreational vehicles. It caters to modern travelers who value sustainability, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this motorhome promises a reliable and luxurious experience, making every journey unforgettable.